Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hazmi bin Anwar and my metric number is D190 and 140. So for today's video, I'm going to explain about activity 1, activity 4, activity 7, and activity 10. So the first simulation is for activity 1. So this is the ladder diagram that I have obtained for the simulation. So this is the push button 1, and then this is the push button 2, and then the output, which is the LED light. Next.
Assalamualaikum and my name is Muhammad bin Halim. My meeting number is DE200-105. For this activity, I will do activity 5.2, 5.5, 5.8 and 5.11. So now I will do for activity 5.2 first and then continue to activity 5.3, 5.5, 5.8 and 5.11. Let's proceed to the activity for 5.2 to do the simulation BEV3. So now I will connected all condition. Now I will run it. Then it start. Then I will push the PB button to force through. Then the siren will ringing. That is the for the PB for the activity 5.2.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nizam bin Zahari. My matrix number is CA 210005. Today I want to present about activity 3. The first one is push button 1, push button 2 and lamp. Connect the wire and get the result. After in here is connected and go to simulation. After we pass through, the lamp is open and we pulse the PB2 and get the lamp. Oh, sorry, true. We got the lamp is off.
Next, this is the ladder diagram that I obtained for the activity 4. So this is the push button 1, this is push button 2, and this is also the output, which is the LED. This push button, this is the normally closed switch, and this also the normally closed switch also.
Okay, so for the activity 5.5, this is the circuit and this is the distribution. Actually this is the I do the same as 5.2 for the distribution and for the circuit. Then just go to connect each other like this. Connect each other. And for this 5.5, I use timer as activity. Then I will run it, and then started. Then I push the push button, and no, the lamp is open. Then I will push the push button to force through. Then after 5 seconds, the lamp is closed. The lamp is off. Then the lamp is off. So that is for the 5.5 activity.
For activity 6, from this circuit, I go to this circuit and I connect the wire PB0 to in and timer to in timer, and R1 timer, Q to R1 the relay, and R1 to timer and R1 to lamp. Okay, and I run the simulation. I run the circuit, and if connected, I go to simulation, and the PB1 is normally open, and I go to true. The lamp is on. The lamp is on. Then the PB0, I go to force through, and get the lamp after 5 seconds. The lamp is off. Okay.
This is the ladder diagram for the activity 7, which is the circuit is a little bit complex. This is the component that I use to construct the ladder diagram. So this is the PB1, this is the push button 1, and then this is the push button 2, and then this is the output, or this is, we can call this as a coil. And then this is the contact, and then this is R1, and then this is the timer. So we use this for to set the timer for 5 seconds. So we set the timer for 5 seconds, and then this is the output of the timer. And then from here, it goes to here, which is, this is the contact, and then it goes to the output, which is the lamp.
Activity 5.8, I did exactly the same as for 5.2 and 5.5 for the distribution and also the circuit. For the distribution and also the circuit, I already done it earlier. So for this, I just want to connect to each other, like this. BB1 to the counter, just connect. To connect, I will execute it. Set to BB2, connect this, connect to this. Timer I use 5 seconds. Now after I have done connected it, I run the circuit, and then I try to execute. I push the push button 2 times because I put the counter 2 times. 1, 2, and all is open. After 5 seconds, the lamp will open. Then the lamp is already on. Then after that, I push the reset button to force through. All the connection is off. That's all for 5.5. 5.8.
For activity 9, the circuit in this lamp is like this, and I go to this and I connect the wire, the start to stop, and R1 to stop to relay 1 here, and R1 go to lamp. After this, I go to run and get if connected. We go to simulation and we push the button start is true and get the lamp is on. After that, we push button the stop is also, and get the lamp is off.
This is the data diagram for the activity 10. So the circuit consists of 2 push button and 1 stop push button, and then this is the contact, and then this is the coil for this is coil for R1, and then this is coil for R2, and then this is the contact for R1, and then this is contact for R2, and then there is 2 output, which is the output for lamp 1, and this is the output for lamp 2. So this is what we are going to measure, which is on how the lamp 1 and lamp 2 operates. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
For the figure 5.11, I did exactly the same as 5.2, 5.5, and 4.8. I did the distribution and also the circuit earlier, and I just before this I just connect, push start button, stop R1 to the line 1 like this. Then I try to run. After I run, I try to execute. For this, I push the push button. Lemon is on 3 times because the counter I put 3 times. after 3 times, the lamp 2 will be on. After that, after 5 seconds, because the timer is per second, the lamp 2 is off. Then the lamp 2 is off. That's for the 5.11.
For activity path, the circuit in lab like this, and I go to this, and I connect the wire. Let's go on stop, and wire the R1 go to PU, and reset button go to reset, and Q to R3 relay 3, and R3 to lamp go to negative terminal, and R3 go to timer, and go to lamp, and I go to run, and get the circuit here. Okay. Like this, the lamp is just open. Okay, after 2 seconds, they just open. I pass through. The counter not go. Just the counter is count to 1, and after I this, the counter not go. So the Q1 is not connected to lamp and R3. Okay, after this, stop the simulation, and adjust the reset to go normal, and R3 go to normal. Okay, then I go run simulation, and after he connected, we go to simulation, and we push the start button start, and get the after 2 seconds, the timer is on the lamp. Okay, after we reset this, the lamp 1 and lamp 2 is off. One more time. I just okay. Pause. Cancel, and one more time. The counter is count 1. After I start this, after 2 seconds, the lamp is open. Then I go to reset, button reset. The R3 and lamp 1 and lamp 2 is off. Thank you.